back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. If not, just welcome back. Today I am going to show you guys how to do a bleached spot tumbler so that you can lay water slides on these dark tumblers, because unfortunately clear water slides do not show up when you have a dark color. So I'm going to do that with this one. I will, if you would like to know how I did this look, I will link below in the description the link for how to do this one. So yeah, I'm going to take you outside to get started. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so first I'm going to do like a couple press spots. If you don't like how it is, I'm going to try switching it with a darker color nozzle. The dirtier you get, a little bit better. So we're going to go with that. Now I put a piece of tape to let me know where I want, what area I want my paint spot to be on. Can you see it? So now I'm just going to spray that area. And that is it, guys. I'm going to spray a little bit further away. Trying to get like Alright, so that is it. I will let this dry. Hey guys, I'm back with another layer of Brite Tone. This is my second layer. And I'm going to do 6 total over my paint and water slide. You will notice the more layers you have over your water slide, the more it disappears into the background. So it's always nice to know. Alright, that's it. Hi guys, I'm back with another layer. Lexi, hush. This is my 3rd layer. Sorry about the little one. It's not broken, Mommy will help you in a minute. It's not broken, love. Alright. See you guys soon. Hi guys, I'm back with another layer of Brite Tone, and I got a new bottle. The other one was looking a bit rough. A little rough around the edges. I actually really like this bottle. It's pretty sturdy and I like the lid. If you want to know where I got the bottle, I got it from Target, I believe. Sorry, I'm not the one who went and picked it up. It was my fiance. But I think he got it from Target. I think this is my 5th layer. So I will do 1 more in the morning. Oh, it is not wanting to be straight. At the bottom now. Okay. Alrighty guys, I'll see you later. Alrighty guys, we are adding our last layer. If you have any kind of bumps, you can sand those out before adding your last layer. this is it. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll show you guys the final product in the last clip. So this is after 6 layers of Brite Tone. And you shouldn't be able to see your water slide edges. You might see them slightly, but for the most part, you shouldn't see them at all.